to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chelsea and I post natural hair content. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my nighttime routine and my morning routine with my natural hair. Right now we have a twist out. I know, it looks like a wash and go. It really does, but it is a twist out. I think it looks like this because I just used gel only. I used Reclaim Your Crown Flaxseed Gel. It's on the TikTok shop. I'm not sure if they're on Amazon, but if they are, I will link it below. But if not, I'll also link my TikTok. I don't know if I can link my TikTok shop, but if I can, I'll do that. I normally pair it with their cream, but I ran out, so I just used their gel only. So it gave it kind of like this wash and go look. Like it looks wet, but it's not. I don't know. I love it though. Okay, so for my nighttime routine, I use 3 things, and that is it. I use some silk scrunchies. You can get them from Amazon, beauty supply store, TikTok shop. I think these are just like a mix of everywhere, you know, because the dryer eats them, they just somehow go missing. So these are just like a mix from all of those different places, but you can find them at the beauty supply store, Amazon, Walmart, you know, anywhere. Just some silk scrunchies so that your hair doesn't get frizzy, a silk scarf, and a silk bonnet. Preferably the bonnet that has this band right here so that it doesn't fall off in the middle of the night. You know, when you get sleeping real good, you have your silk scrunchies, your silk wrap, your silk bonnet, your silk pillowcase, and it just falls off. So you want to just make sure you have one that has a little band on it. There are different ways. For me, the pineapple method has not worked for me. I think because my hair is so thick and sometimes it gets really coarse that when I pineapple method it, it stays pineapple methoded. Whenever I take my scarf down, like my hair will be like this, and it literally takes me like so long to like fluff it out to make it fall again. So with my hair texture specifically, and if you have one similar to mine, pineapple method does not work for me. So I band it with some silk scrunchies. I like to split my hair up into 4 sections because that is just more manageable for me. Rarely will I do 2 sections. Sometimes I do just put it down the middle and band it, but it's very rare if I do that. Maybe when I have like a flexi rod set, or if it's blow dried out, I can work with 2 sections. But when I do a twist out or a braid out on wet hair, I have to do it in 4 sections because my hair kind of gives like wash and go, so it needs more sections to stretch, if that makes sense. I will just part it down the middle and then part it into 4. With this section, I'll take my scrunchie, and I will do 3 twists around. So 1, that's the second one, and this is the 3rd one. So 1, 2, 3, 3 little loops, and I leave the ends out so those don't get like awkwardly stretched. So that's how I will do it. So it's like a banding, separating method. Then I'll do this next section. Sorry if you hear my loud air conditioner. 3rd section, sometimes I will leave like these pieces out because again, like it won't fall down right, if that makes sense. It like gets stuck up in the air because it gets so stiff. But I don't really have that problem on this side. I don't know why it's this side. Maybe the way I sleep at night, I probably sleep on this side more. Last section. Boom. There we go. And just make sure you leave your ends out. You don't want to pull it all the way to your ends because then your ends are going to get that like weird stretch. Like it's not going to be like coily, super cute, you know? I don't know, maybe you don't know. I don't know. And I take my scarf and I put that on. I'm just going to show you this because I need to take a shower. All I did so far was take my makeup down, take my makeup off, but I still need to shower. But I do not like showering with my scarf because it gets wet and then it just messes things up. So I typically just shower with a shower cap and then put the scarf on once I'm actually ready to go to bed, because I get so irritated whenever it gets wet because then my hair starts to get frizzy. But I just wrap it and tie it around. Just do a few little tucks so it's not in my face. It's all secure. And then you So that is how I maintain my hair throughout the week, throughout the night. Maybe by like the third day is when my ends start to feel a little bit dry. So I will just take some leave-in conditioner, the spray kind, and spray it on my ends, and then take some penetrating oil or like a leave-in treatment oil by BioSilk. I really like that one. And then the OGX penetrating oil, I really like that one as well. I'll just spray some leave-in and then just do like the praying hand method on my ends, and then do the same routine. Just stretch it with the silk scrunchies, and then put the scarf on and your bonnet on. So I'll do that probably throughout like the third day, whenever my ends start to feel a little dry. But so far, no dry ends because I just took these twists out yesterday. But that is how I get ready for bed, and I will check in with you guys in the morning whenever I take it down and do all the fluffing and all the things. Good morning, guys. It is now the next morning, and I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down. I don't really know what to talk about right now. I'm still waking up. This is what we're looking like fresh out of the bonnet and the wrap. So I'm going to put some oil on my fingertips. This is the BioSilk Natural Coconut Oil. You can also get the regular one from TJ Maxx, Marshalls. They're there as well. And then of course like Sally's or Walmart. So we're just going to take these down. And it'll have little bends in it, but we're going to give it a good shake out. Y'all, Texas is getting freezing weather this weekend, and people are going crazy. H-E-B is empty. It is empty. Alright, so we're gonna give it a good shake to wake her up. And then I just kind of, still with that oil on my hand, just kind of get rid of like the parts from when we sectioned it off. You can use a pick. I don't really use a pick, maybe because I don't really know how to use it, and I feel like I end up just making my hair more like matted or tangled. So I just kind of use my hands as like a pick just to fluff it and get rid of the parts that we made. Here's what we're looking like on this side. Love it. I'm not loving this side. I'm gonna get some edge control and put some right there and head to work. And I also wanted to mention how throughout midweek I will rehydrate my ends, especially with color treated hair. I have to rehydrate my ends. This broke last night, but I use this African Pride Moisture Miracle Coconut Milk and Honey leave-in conditioner. I got this from Sally's for like $5-6, I think. So I use this, and I also use some type of oil. So again, I'll go in with that BioSilk oil, or I really like the OGX one. That's just like penetrating oil, something with penetrating in it. I really like that one as well for my ends. And I get that one from like TJ Maxx as well, but I think I've seen it at Target. I don't know about Sally's, but I've seen it at Target and Ulta. So I already put some edge control right here. She looks really good, like she hasn't even been slept on, and yours might turn out even better. I don't know why I'm not feeling this middle part, so I'm probably going to side part it, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do a side part. I ended up side parting it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful for you in your nighttime routine. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. If you're in Texas, please stay safe this weekend. I'm praying for everyone, that everyone is staying safe and warm. Also, please let me know what other videos you'd like to see from me. I'd be happy to record them for you guys. I was looking back and I was like, I posted my first video 7 months ago. That is insane, and I'm almost at 800 subscribers. So I thank you guys so much for the love and support and the nice comments that you guys leave. They are so beautiful and so sweet. So I really appreciate that. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. Let me know what videos you'd like to see from me, and I hope you have a beautiful day.